Look, I am a morning person. I think this is loud and clear by now. I wake up at 4 in the morning. It's freezing balls outside. I grab my dog, I go for a mile run. I make it back. Then I cook my breakfast. It's usually hearty, nice and full. I get ready and I'm at the office by 6 in the morning. I love it. I work more, I get more done, I'm inspired, I'm more motivated. And that quiet time, man, that quiet. Yo, I love that quiet time. It's just motivational. It is that energy that I used to crush it that day. But I didn't just become a morning person overnight. It used to be hard for me to wake up in the morning until I started doing these 6 things that just completely made my mornings better. And honestly, I would never go back. I want you to start trying these. Let's go. Number 1, wake up 1 minute earlier. Look. If you wake up at 8 in the morning, you're not going to go and wake up at 5 in the morning. That is unrealistic. You might do it once, by day 3, you're going to stop. It's going to be blunt on your body. But what if you woke up 1 minute earlier every day? So let's say you wake up at 8. Tomorrow you wake up at 7:59. The day after you wake up at 7:58, then 7:57, and so on. By the end of the month, you'll be waking up 30 minutes earlier, and you're not even going to feel it. Which takes us on to number 2. Chug a glass of water. This is the first thing I do every single morning. See, your body has been essentially fasting for 10 hours. It is depleted. It is working overnight to repair itself. So it's dehydrated. That dehydration is what causes that sluggishness and that feeling of just being super slowed and tired in the morning. But as soon as you chug about 8 to 10 ounces of water, that instantly not only wakes you up. The cold water, it's like a natural adrenaline boost through your body. It also boosts your metabolism, and because you're hydrating your body, it gives you that energy and uplift that you need to keep going. Number 3, take vitamin D. See, all vitamins and omega-3s are vital for your day-to-day. But one vitamin that's often overlooked and that almost everybody's deficient on is vitamin D. Now, the crazy part is that vitamin D is free. You get that from the sun naturally, but you and I live lifestyles indoors. You're always in the office, and especially now, we're all working from home, so we're barely getting any sun. Most Americans are actually vitamin D deficient. This is why every morning, especially when I'm always feel that I'm indoors or when it's really cloudy outside, I take my vitamin D supplement from NatureWise. Taking it can help boost weight loss, it can help fight diseases, and it can even help with depression, which of course makes your mornings and your entire day much better. Now, the great thing with NatureWise is that their biological active form is absorbed more efficiently by the body than other competitors. NatureWise really puts in a lot of thought into all their vitamins to make sure for the end consumer that you're getting your best bang for your buck. For example, they're all made with clear capsules that are coated with olive oil. Apparently, the olive oil helps increase the vitamin D's bioavailability. The best product, everything is researched and made here in the USA, and you can check out their Amazon. Their reviews are phenomenal, and they don't only have vitamin D, they really got you covered across the board with almost any natural supplement that you can think of. If you guys want to take the vitamins that I take on a daily basis every single morning, including the vitamin D that I take from NatureWise, there's going to be a link down below. Right now, they have a special offer. Click that link. For the first 500 people that go and check out right now, you're going to get 50% off of your first bottle. That way you could try it out basically risk-free and see just how amazing and how much better your morning routines are going to be when you have all your vitamins and minerals in check. If you guys want to check out NatureWise, they're going to be linked down below. Number 4, manipulate your environment. You are much more likely to win in the morning if you set up your environment to win with what you want to accomplish. For example, like I told you, I hate running, but I run every single morning about a mile every day. So to make it easier to win the next morning, I literally go to sleep with my running clothes. So I just wake up, put my running shoes out, grab my dog, I'm out the door. I'm manipulating my environment to make it smooth to do the things that I don't want to do. Number 5. Eat a good breakfast. I hinted about that in the beginning. Look, I'm going to get a bunch of keyboard warriors in the bottom tell me that intermittent fasting is the way. Look, I believe everybody's different, and I'm not saying that intermittent fasting is not good. But for me personally, having a strong, hearty, protein-filled breakfast It's crucial. When I don't have that, I am sluggish throughout the day. And it also makes logical sense. Again, your body has been fasting for about 10 hours as you sleep. Not eating and just going to work, of course, you're gonna feel foggy in the head and you're gonna feel slow. Your body's like a car. It needs calories, which is its fuel, and you get that from your food. And finally, number 6, have an energizing scent. Believe it or not, there's been certain studies that have shown that certain scents can have an effect on your mind and on your motivation. So a lot of people suggest to have certain scents throughout the morning, which you can get from candles like peppermint and lavender or eucalyptus, that tend to spark up and energize your morning. I have actually pretty sexy candles around the house because my wife loves candles. However, another extra step that I like to do is my personal cologne. Like when I spray on that fragrance, I personally feel energized. I feel more confident every morning when I stand in front of my vanity and I get to choose what I'm gonna wear that day and how I'm gonna feel. Having an energizing scent, it can change your day. And that's basically it for this 6th video, guys. Those are 6 things to make your morning routines better. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to share this video because it helps your bro out. That's it for me today.